Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I have come in front of the camera to share something with you because I want to conversation with you. So that is why today I have come in front of the camera to share my mail ID. My mail ID is sanjoyr479 gmail@gmail.com. So those who are interested, send me message through this mail and we'll set up a time. In that time we'll conversation, and in that conversation we'll discuss lots of things about English speaking and we'll share our knowledge. If I have any doubt, so I can ask you. If you have any doubt, so you can ask me. So through this way we'll develop our English speaking skill. I think this is very good process. So let's use this process and become a fluent speaker. I try to apply this process because this process helps a lot to be fluent speaker. So guys, send me message, and you may also send me message through Facebook or Messenger. My Facebook name is Sanjoy Roy. Search by this name and you will see my photo on the Facebook logo. Okay guys, and my messenger ID sanjoyr479. So send me message and we'll conversation through video call, and in the video call we'll share lots of things about English. And if you want to upload the video, so you may upload, no problem. And I also want to upload the video on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. If you allow, then I will upload. If you don't allow, then I will not upload. But I allow, you can upload, no problem. And if we make any types of mistakes, so please cut that part while editing, because we make mistakes while speaking. So there is nothing to worry. So please, mistaking part please cut while editing and take the best part, because you are making videos. So please don't show mistaking part. Unwanted part please cut while editing and make your video best, because you want to upload the video on Facebook or YouTube. So please don't show wrong part, always try to take the best part. Okay, so guys, I request you that please cut the mistaking part and show the best part. While editing, you make the video the best. Okay guys, so my mail ID is sanjoyr479@gmail.com and my Facebook name is Sanjoy Roy and my messenger ID sanjoyr479. So thanks for watching, and those who want to speak with me, please send me message, mail, then we'll set a time, then in that time we'll conversation. So thanks for watching for today. See you again in the next videos.